7-3, break with you, QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey.
The Kilo Charlie question mark, Papa Echo Whiskey. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, this is a Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey, Alpha Tokyo Whiskey, QSL.
No, somebody double with you. Could you please again, Echo Whiskey Station?
Yeah, this is a Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey, Alpha Tokyo Whiskey, Alpha Tokyo Whiskey, QSL.
QSL, Kilo Charlie 1, Alpha Tango Whiskey. You're 5 and 9 in the clear, 5 and 9 in the clear. Station Victor Echo 0451. QSL.
QSL, you are 5'9" in Massachusetts, 5'9" in Massachusetts, QSL.
Thanks for the 5 and 9 Massachusetts. Stand by for second operator.
Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. This is Victor Echo 1 Romeo Papa X-ray. You're 5'9" in the park, QSL.
QSL, thank you for nice signal report. You are also 5'9" Massachusetts. Weather here is sunny, bright sunny. Okay, thank you for your activation. 73, bye-bye.
Thank you for the contact today. Much appreciated. Have a good afternoon. 7-3.
Bye-bye.
QRZ.